Model, 2018 Volkswagen Caddy C20 Trendline 2.0 TDI engine knocking no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,489. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PSEU 6B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing, will be an absolute bargain for someone who puts this right grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history,